Hi guys, good morning. It's already I think 7:30 here at nagpe-prepare ako ng baon ni Ella. And guys, ayan na siya lahat dyan. Nandun si Ella. Kumakain siya actually ng breakfast. Gising na actually also si Francine, si Pang tulog pa. Friday today, mag school time. Tapos niyang kumain, fix ko lang yung hair niya at saka ko lang yung hair niya. Kumakain siya ng cornflakes lang guys. Para lang maano ang tiyan. Tsaka hindi ka-healthyhan na baon. Pabaon siya. Nagbaon lang siya ng bread na nilagyan ng Nutella at saka cookies. Kaya hindi masyadong ma-healthy at saka juice. Si Francine andun pa sa bedroom namin pero nasa walker namin siya. Ay, nasa walker niya siya. Maaga kasi nagising at 5 nagising na si Francine, tsaka nakatulog idlip ako ng until 7 at now. So yun, see you again later. Hello guys. Francine is here and Ella. Si Ella naglilinis doon guys. Say hi Ella.
Hoy!
Nililinis niya to guys kasi ang daming mga ichi-burichi. Agad-agad ko pa, maliligo pa ako pagkatapos. Nagluto ako ng tusino. Ayun, napagod na. Hindi yan pagod. Actually, yummy ang masarap ang tusino pag ganyan. Pag a bit na siya na brown. Pagkatapos lang ni Francine magdede. Uy, magla-lunch kami. Tapos lalabas kami kasi guys, bibili kami ng kito. Kasi yung kettle namin nasira na. Hindi na siya
Buy to the wings?
Yeah.
The wings?
And look at that Francine's pigtail. Francine's pigtail. Hagad-hagad ko pa uwi. Nabisi ako kasi kanina guys, hindi ako nakapagligo. Nakauwi na lang si Ella, hindi pa ako nakaligo. Niligo na ako ngayon tapos lalabas na kami. Frank! Come on, let's eat. Yeah, 2 babies. Hey guys, we are going in a shopping center. No, dito lang sa amin malapit. Malapit lang kasi kami sa mga shops guys. Nalalakad lang. Si Ella andun oh. Tsaka si Frank at si Francine. Ay, nako. 12 degree ngayon dito, hindi masyadong malamig. Pero, malamig pa din para sa akin. Ayun, nandun sila. Nag-una na ang... Hello? Hey! Hello? What's going on? Yeah? Nobody's pushing you?
Buang ko mga buang. Look at your jacket.
Hey.
Look at your jacket. All white on the side.
Francine.
May I? Thank you very much.
Say hi. I keep saying say hi.
I said hi earlier, didn't I?
Hi! I was Marco.
Hello.
Fast.
Hello.
Do you have a tissue?
From
Yeah, I
my...
have. Yeah.
Bibili lang kami ng kito. Kasi
And play.
nasira
And rings,
yung
my rings.
nasira yung
Or?
namin. Yung
Yeah,
kito.
buslut ka to.
Bustot na guys. Ambot na unsa pagka bustot ang takuri eh.
Di palit ang slime di.
Slime.
Yes, slime! And teddy.
Slime si yung mata.
Yeah! Grabe siya.
No, we didn't say grabe siya. Dito ako yun doon noon nung nag-snow.
Yeah, snowflake, snowflake, little snowflake, little.
Kain nila.
Bread.
Breakfast in bed. It's in there? Oh, may nakitang helicopter sa Frank.
Go, go, helicopter, go, go.
It's gone down.
Okay. Dito.
What?
Up to milk.
Yeah.
This one, right? Bye-bye Francine's milk. We're gonna buy Francine's milk. Na, dede? Sure, dede? What is the other one? Can we not get this as like big one, baby? By box? This.
There's 4 of them in there.
Yeah, it's okay. I get another flavor. No, not with carrots. This here. Kiwi. And banana. This new flavor for Francine. Yum yum. Yum yum.
Which flavors?
It's earthberry, banana, and apple meat muesli.
Muesli.
Muesli and
Sure.
and kiwi and banana and Bernie.
The other one.
And the other one, this one. So I'm gonna try some other flavors since Francine's really find this very comfy to eat or to whatever.
Very yummy, not comfy.
Very yummy. She finds this really yummy. So we go. Or we go to my stuff. Ta-da! I still have. I'm in a budget, so I'm gonna close my eyes on that side and on this side too. I just go pay directly. Before I get always shopping for myself now for the day and for Francine's all stuff here in DM. So grounded. Hello guys, nakauwi na kami. What is this? Look at that. My hair is really losing. Ay, hiningal ako. Nagpuput away ako ng mga stuff na binili namin guys kasi it's Friday. Weekend. This is the bread. I think you know this. I think alam niyo na tong bread na to. Napakita ko na to sa last vlog ko. Bread ni Frank. Nababaliw na ata yung si Ila dun sumisigaw.
Oh, yeah.
Gyros meat. It's already mixed. May mix na siyang mga ingredients. Mga sibuyas. Ganun. May buang. Can you help me? Put that in the fridge.
Oh no, when did they come here?
Yeah, why did you come? I bought a new chocolates again for the living room. Well,
Where is this gonna put?
the freezer, please. Nus cracker and alpenmilch. Alpenmilch, masarap yung alpenmilch na alpenmilch na chocolate, guys.
Where is this gonna put? Number 3 or number 2?
Lasa. At tuna. Bumili ako ulit. Meron pa si Francine doon at actually another flavor. I got here eggs.
I put the chocolate there.
Yeah, thank you, Ella.
Wait, it's kiwi.
Para matry ni Francine. Ano na ba to? What's happening?
Okay.
I got this one. Baguette siya na pizza, guys. Masarap to siya. Lagi ko to siyang kinakain. Ito ang luto ang kainin ko tonight for dinner.
Where this
Hindi ako
gonna put
magluluto.
it?
So, din ha sa ref.
Asa gamit?
Juices for the kids. Then I got here a frozen food. This is for Frank. Masarap to actually. Spinach. spinach noodles pasta. Masarap din to siya, creamy. You wanna help Frank?
Is this my juice?
Yeah, it's yours. And I have here sauces. Ito yung mga sauce na ginagawa ko guys pag nagpa-fry ako kasi gusto nila ni Frank ng may sauce. Mahilig sila sa sauce. Here. Sauce. And another sauce. Ang daming sauce. Pag nagluluto ako, nagpa-fry or something, kailangan may sauce para i-ano mo sa pasta. And I got 4 liters of milk. Lagi kaming bumibili ng milk kasi si Frank sa coffee. Ito. Ella is actually helping me putting away the stuff. Pwede naman na ibutang sa kuwan.
Not gonna fit it.
Ay! Butang sa nadri kay kuwan man ni Frank kung karton. Na maigo. Ang ice cream, I got 2 ice cream.
Stracciatella.
Ella was saying, it's yummy daw kuno niya. Wala po katilaw. May pa siya
This is
nakatilaw na siya.
stracciatella.
Sa chatella daw.
Stracciatella.
Okay, then chocolate. It says here chocolate. I love chocolates. Pero ang weird guys, si Francine ayaw na yan ng chocolate ice cream. Vanilla lang gusto ni Francine. That's it. And bumili ako ng another milk para stock ni Francine. Kasi malapit nang maubos yung milk niya. And I have wipes. Sa DM lang ako bumibili ng mga gamit ni Francine kasi mura. Ang milk lang ang medyo may kamahalan pero it's
Give
okay.
me.
And I got here guys, may new kettle na kami. Kasi ito yung luma namin oh. Ito yung luma namin. Nabustot ato siya kaya nag-leak na siya. Wala na. Made in China. Bumili kami ng bagong kettle para it's actually 20 euros.
The sauce
only.
is...
Here. Na-try namin to kung mas matagal bang masira. So you can try actually now baby the kettle. So ayun lang yung...
This is gonna put here.
Yeah, here, come on, give me. And you put the ibutang sa nang kundi kani. Deep freezer. How do you fit this pizza baguette? There's no space.
Oh,
Is there pizza baguette there?
take that out.
Why you smell like perfume? What did you do?
Perfume?
Yeah. Did you perfume?
Yeah.
So, ito yung i-dinner ko tonight. At si Frank daw kung magpapasta lang. Iyan may karong gabi guys.
Here you go.
Si Ella ug ako kanyang kanon.
On the salt in here, right?
Yeah, but I'm going to put any.
What's this?
So, ayun lang. That's all ang nabili namin. Giuhaw ko eh. So, that's it. Sa Aldi kami nag-shopping. Nag-grocery shopping.
Oh my god, what's
It's
this?
so rude.
What's this?
Why do I find this in my
That's
wardrobe?
carrots for Francine. Yeah. See, Frank smells so good. He smells so good. Where's
Bah.
So I should try the kettle?
Yeah, you should try the kettle. Oh, I think Francine is coming. Hello, we're here. We're here, Francine. Look at that Francine, guys. Pasilip-silip siya doon.
Switch on the light there.
Switch on the light in the quad. Look at Francine. Hello. Hello. Hello, makita na eh.
Oh,
Hello. Ay, uy. Hey.
it's too fast.
You're too fast. Hello, where are you going? Do you ever see me?
No, Francine.
Pag nadidinig niya kami dito sa kusina, guys, pumupunta siya agad. Alam niya na nandito kami sa kusina. Kanina ding...
No, Francine, no. no,
Come here,
no,
come
no,
here,
no, no,
baby. So you try, so Frank will try the kettle. Look at that.
Yay.
Uy, look at Francine's hair. Ang cute-cute niya ng hair niya. Look, I am cute, chubby, cute, chubby, cute.
Dula ko, Barbie. Bye.
Bye. So,
So,
can
bye.
you say hi to Christina's vlog?
Hi, Ate Christina.
She's watching Ate Christina's vlog and nakalimutan ko na yung iba eh. May doon sinulat ko yun eh. Next vlog ko, i-shoutout ko yun. At naalala ko lang si Sir Rufi Kovacha. Yeah, yung taga Maynila. Hello po sa inyo. Now Frank is trying to try the kuan guys sa ang kitaw.
Do you need a wire? We have wire. Yeah. We can send you in LBC.
There's no LVC here.
No, I don't want to touch that.
Don't touch it then.
Bago ang kettle, ayaw doon i-touch ni Ella makuan.
Because it's all glass.
Wait.
Yeah,
Can you
it's
put this
It's also
here?
glass.
Can
It's
you
glass,
broke that?
Kaya ayaw ni Ella na i-touch. Baka
Can-
daw mabuak.
Frank.
Kasi sabi na ni Frank, be careful. So sabi na niya in advance na ayaw niya daw mag-init ng tubig. Clap your hands, big. Clap,
Look,
clap,
I have a
clap.
magic. Oops.
Clap, clap,
We
clap.
don't need to fill it completely.
Yeah.
But this
Look,
is the
I have a
maximum we should do.
magic.
Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands, show
What
them.
is
Yeah, that's
do?
unbelievable, no? That's already over 1 liter here now.
Mm-hmm.
I would have thought like, this is 1 liter maybe.
Look, I have
Clap, clap, clap.
magic.
Now since our kitchen has a tiny, can you go further back? Lighting problem, lighting issue, like this floor and all that. It's not a lighting issue, it's actually a designer issue. I decided to buy a kettle which has also LED. So let's see what it's like. Wait, that's actually really
Wow.
cool.
Yeah? We can do disco here now?
Wow.
Looks,
Oh,
looks cool actually.
it's
Yeah.
bubbling.
Already?
Yeah. Look here.
220 volts or watt
What?
to 1,800 and something watt.
Ella.
Wow.
So
It's bubbling
it's actually
now.
pretty good for the price of it. It was only 19 something. So I'm pretty. I like it.
You like it? Good, me too. Can we not put another color?
No, that would have been the expensive one for 30 euros, where you can change the lights to
the
I don't know
Sigurina?
10.
The
10.
Silverina?
No, the other one is not there anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, when
The one
this
that
is
was
sale.
on- And there was a sale there.
Okay.
And you buy that one. I don't know what's that.
Okay.
Look at the three girls behind each other.
Okay, so I end the vlog while you are doing like that.
Okay.
So guys, thank you. I-end ko na ang vlog guys. See you again on my next video. Thank you all for watching and bye-bye and have a good night everybody.
Good night.
Bye bye.
Why it's always good night?
Yeah.